Hey, yo, ladies and gentlemen, it is Eshe Sanga here, the sexiest man in South Africa. Choy no vanilla, sexy more than your girlfriend and your boyfriend on top of you. As you know, I'm not alone. I'm with a guest, a special guest, Indoda.
Yes, sir.
Show me. Nangu Black Indoda. Kutheni ngathi wena umazi Black Indoda. Show me. Nangu Black Indoda. Kutheni ngathi wena umazi Black Indoda. How's it?
Yeah, I'm good, and you?
I'm also fine, I'm doing sexy. So can you please tell us more about yourself without wasting time?
Yeah. Kamla mnungusiphosethe first of all. Ngifana nokunxele kwase Mount Fletcher ezinquka. But abantu banazi ngoba nungu Black Indoda. As you know, artist. Yes sir.
Ngumkhaya nje kwaSe Fletcher.
Wasemathatiyele wena ndayazi.
Hayi lo. Hayi ngona nomkhaya namhlanje bras. So at least nobizo ba smooth yonke lento. So bra, can you please tell us yaqala njani we your rap as an artist? When did you start rapping exactly?
Yeah. Ndingathi ba umculo yinto bekusuppose la kudala eqala but ke ndiqale like can say ndiqalise ku late bona. Ngimdala kakhulu bona. Because yeah. So ke ngokunenzekayo around 2020 me actually Greenfield, and then it was a lockdown was. So wakhona umjito ne studio pha kuma back. Then so lokho ngisipha kugcina pha kwakhe oko so kube kheli pha so ngenye mina decided ba manje pha. Then ndaya pha and then ngifika pha amajita ahlele ayachaya bona aka baby ngene record yonke la way. So the more ngihlala nabo like nam nabasemdleni qombe kuse haleluya yenze lewe nibethe yabo. So qala ngala mini so I ask umjito ba okay ndingenza njani ukuze nami umculo wami bephanda aziwe ngabantu yonke lana. Then umjito told me ba okay have to run the recorder. Then ngicela zonke prizes yonke way. So I started there ngokumjita from 2020, and then in 2021 it's when abantu baqala khona recognize like 2021 recorded 2020, then 2021 abantu baqala like recognize. I can say ngiqale ngo 2020.
2020.
But around 2015 kuqala kwami la kumamele hip hop bona Jamel MT, and then qala ngiba ma chain qala no tape so yonke la yabo. So ngo 2020 kuqala ungene emicini ke ngoku. So I can say yeah ngatsho kanjani 2020.
So who was this guy ke ngoku? Yeah, cause it seemed like the guy ubo record kuyo yiyo engathi yakufaka phi. Let me just say and bafana ukuthi emepini but nguye owa introduce kwi hip hop industry because
yeah
he gave you like information about hip hop.
Yeah.
Who was this guy? Because it seems like
yeah ndingathi ba unyanisile ne because of like yeah for real but ngale power recorder and ngoku kuze like ingoma yaMuropara ibe like le ndawo ikuyo nguye bandlalela abayo 30 beat e1 kuze ngoma recorder pha kum and then uhambe perform. So kuRopara mana zikhona sicha iverse ningayazi and then kuwenze ngayo and then I like thathi beat nami no recorder then ingoma yami yabapha. So lo mjita lo nami recorder nguye ngiswitch woods.
Switch Woods, Switch Woods, brother. This is like he's everywhere. Again, we must appreciate Switch Woods. We must because it's like he's helping artists' needs. Switch Woods. Shout out to Switch Woods, guys. So your first song, let me not say your first, but it was your first song was Uropar.
Yeah, you release.
It was your first song to release it.
Yeah.
So, what made like it in a story behind Europa? Because abantu abaninzi bamela ngoma Europa be like, why you rap about Europa? Are you a criminal or what are you doing? Still a story or wabona or you watching a movie and then you like,
yeah,
okay, the movie. Mandithatha manje fake ngomeni yami. Ungayi what happened?
Yeah. So, like I can say when I do ngoma sami qala rap and like 2020 2021 about famous 2021 because then like SKL we sit after scale and so la manje mindama nabo sithanda mamela like qalisa mamela hip hop sijemela hip hop not ke ngulela South Africa cha sijemela la se-America bo. So we used to like umamela like ingoma zi gangs sase America bo. Yabo. So ke ngoku like even kwayibhidi besisebenzisa at that time for the first time ibizipizza ngapha eAmerica yonke lana. So I can say la beyoboniswa man ku-influence ngumculo wamajita nangewe bathetha ngazo bona, and then kuse like ngenye imini like ndacinga uRobert ubona, but behamba nge-English that time ibingesosiXhosa, and then negama lami ilegama le-English, and then athena la gama like la bingu-black man, and athena man to indoda, then athena uRobert to isiXhosa. Then
so intona kwenza utshintshe igama lakho to i-black indoda sense u-black man?
Like I decided
I feel English be like nah
ngangolike mina I feel English ne cha abanye abantu bangathi like mhlambe especially abantu abamhlophe bathi racist yabo black man yabo, so la way like yeah kum like be like yabo benga feeling ngathi like ekuse like abanye abantu mhlambe ngandisa phambili because mhlambe uyothumla mhlambe ahalele mhlambe lenzele into mhlambe ngomuntu mhlambe lobu ngaba umuntu omnyama yabo, but bese mhlambe uthanda ngo-black man yabo, and then I was like black man indoda emnyama yabo wathi the racist yabo, was black man white man yabo now songaqonga yabo uthi white man yabo, so it's something like that yeah singatsho bra.
So I believe but your first performance ibe Mthatha Lounge. Yeah, so since ubuqala uperforma and you are new kulento yaqala uperform, you are new azazi ingoma zakho, we have this song engena verse ine hook yodwa and yabona ba kukho abantu like la moment kuya injani?
Yeah bro, I can say like enzima because excel no tour nami yabo, no tour because naqaphelayo nabethi first chorus, and then ngoba bethi first chorus nabethi verse, after ngiphinde ngibele chorus the second like abantu they already know the ngoma yabo, ingathi le ngoma senireleasile but ingoma bese ndayiva ngongoko. So bro like first time ngale perform la ngoma like there's impact like for the first time they perform, I perform twice, first time they perform like about impact. So I don't know now when they akazohamba nayo because yeah
I think nokunoba nawe wayefaka like energy, and I think abantu abeqala uva like iWescran kucula but iWezeRobert because most abantu beScran abacula like about into iwe somuntu like Robert, okay this is new, then and nento yayi-catch I think so, and it's simple iRobert sense iRobert very simple catchy, so I think yenza abantu bathini abe engaged kuyo, okay now we can jam to this ayitsala ayikhonda ithini simple emxholweni straight,
it's storytelling
and it's storytelling. So you released your I don't know why it was your first EP.
Yeah, it was my first EP, Inzuzo.
Inzuzo. So the kukho the first song pa kuNzuzo Impundo. First so pa ila EP Impundo. So what made you to come na ngoma leya and decide okay this song is about Impundo?
Like probably to be honest ne like
ingazitsho
okay man ndinyani ubone ne xa like then jo man laqala live session qala kwami ne, so live session like freestyle mos ubone freestyle apha, so can you mean like nale jomi zami le njengoba ngiqala nene artists bam, and then artists bam like baya like I want nenza ngaphinde baya, so ngaqhubeleka nayo ndodwa, so ikhona ngoperforma fanisi ba like abantu bakunika attention yabo, like akhona uhoya akhona uthina awuperform ubone phela babona abantu banjalo performa yo abasebesaziwa so was like okay yazinoni like a free class one and perform ubone like freestyle almost like yabo bingekho like like bi acapella yodwa yabo ubungabethi physical vocals, so ke ngoku like when physical manje babe mic and then kafika la chorus ba okay jonga zimnyama ezimpundu yabo, so like labetha ke ngoku la zimnyama ezimpundu for the first time ngiphinda like le weekend elandela laphinda yokuveke elandela laphinda labetha kwesibini imnyama ezimpundu. So kulabantu bengiqhela khona before ndo drop uRobert because la ngoma ilapha ekuqaleni before the drop yabo so la ngoma I can say na yenenze abantu banazo, so abanye abantu becinga mhlambe umuntu othanda ujokayo nje abanza urapper serious mhlambe ndenza lewe for fun yabo, just for ujoke yabo, the entertain okanye yabo, so that's why naqamba you know what le ngoma leni like mandiyenze ingoma ethi impundu yabo, but ayifani bona leya because leya nesithi zimnyama izimpundu so leya ithi dlala ngempundu so yeah but as long ingumpundu
Bundu la.
La ngoma la I listen la ngoma. Kukho iline ethi kanje pha because I want to know because sometimes rappers can lie.
yeah
Sometimes because I know nawe ngoku uzothi kanje na it was just a song.
okay
Abo ukiline ethi kanje pha mandiyekele ka Amanda uhlale asana because isimile like you ubo rhyme apha kuleya so andibani bambale leba
but Amanda like asana is real Joe.
Oh irile okay
Yeah.
So now I get the point because utikade pha lo ngoma uthela ngo Amanda
mina namba ami kama Amanda
yeah uhlale asana
Uhlale
so
Zola, yeah.
wamthwaxa ndeke ngoku lelo Amanda weqoqo bomthwaxa waqala ukwenzela iway wachitha so ibi real experience
I do yeah
so it was real
yeah it was real but ezinye nakwe verses not real but I can say bro like
now you tell her about we got Amanda and
okay
umthwaxa then after wachitha ingathi wathini wachitha andalibela ndayechitha le
yeah,
part
black sports
black sports so you need to tell us like what like usezuthi ndiyamanyana sezuthi ndiyamanyana you need to tell us the story we need the story
what happened
Watyelo.
yeah bro like wow like one chitela bo
yeah
one chitela bro so and in chitela bro like the on stage yabo because yena namthwaka ne but inenzeka like I'm finished manje so ngika rap ngoke bona bhala like poems and then poems
yeah.
so xa show ipay scale maybe show ezincinci nothezi izingula zikhona mhlawumbe nix ne awards for abantu abapase kahle yona layo so ndibethe lo yami so ngalamini la nangena stage nabetha le but when betha like xa njonga crowd ndayibona la ngamsidahleli naye ayibona and it's Friday yabo and ngiyabona ukuthi ngihlele naye yabo but sengibona ngqaka yabo because sasesicela and then I was like no my classmate yakanye ngitshomi yakhe yabo then abetha phela saphuma isigela kabikho way and then like xa ngifika endlini bona icherry yami was so I was like okay nambhalele bakuse baby is for us yabo and ngifuna ukuzingaba yabo then she was like uba hanzi ukwazi black yabo no tell the story yabo I don't want afuna ngena deep ku yabo so angixelela istory uba kathi ngathini so into enzekayo yabo ekseni yabo Saturday ekseni yabo like in the mall Joe and then Joe atibala naye yabo waba nale pussy ass nigga you know so like what the fuck bro what the fuck so like yankhathaza la yabo
Oh yele mntaqwe.
so ngamxalela ba esejonga man asakufuni wena yabo and then I'm block up yabo after that ke ngo like yeah when the time goes afumana sibanda rap yabo I was like okay badala ngembuno okay I was like le ngayiqala nsweme line yami boba okay sizing Amanda then ngihlale Asanda was like Amanda Asanda yabo because Asanda village mose so so Amanda and so like Amanda Asanda so I was like okay and chitela what the fuck up
Asanda lava nomdada wo.
yeah sahla la
Yeah, ase ndimtheke.
she's a yellow bone
nah
because
the black
because you see why ndibuza ba yellow because seems like you love bana bamhlophe yonke nakumose ngoma watsho wathi kula ngoma leya
ungafani nami ntana
yabo ma yellow
okay
not black and yellow melo
Yeah,
yabo
yeah.
asabuza she said because ne ex yakho ayimhlophe
like
lehlala yayi
Black
white
and
so
white,
yeah
so
that's why ndibuza ba do you love ama yellow bone
Ayikhethi pon ngeda afuneka sibe mnyama sobayithi.
oh that's why ndibuza why emhlophe nawo kanye because
she was black bro she was
so what happened for you ba okay okanye wabona okay black girls shit so let me go to white because it seems like okay nakala ukubona like on the streets and everywhere
Unomnyamana.
oh kali kubonayo uhamba nentombazana white most of the time
nah bro bako white bro no way ni like yami na nebete white bro la yabo
and You can tell I have
But in Yanzi, you don't have like to be flex over it too, yeah,
Why?
But yeah. But blah, like, yeah, now, blah, like, come over to my yellow phone.
I understand them.
Oh,
I'm not interested in my
You like
yellow
yellow
bones.
bones?
I know.
Okay.
Now I'm all about dark beauty, all the chocolate. I don't like vanilla. Now I even try my tea, I'm no vanilla, so I don't really care about the vanilla or white. If you want vanilla in beer, you taste it. So I'm not really
Yes,
into
sir.
like but I'm shop.
Yeah.
So what happened between you and what's that girl now? We're based by a queen. You know her.
He does.
I don't know her.
Yeah, what happened?
I don't know her.
Because it seemed like when you date one, yeah, then you date one. Yeah.
Bruh, like, in high school, about like grade 11, boy.
Yeah.
In like not proper outer scale, boy. Like I got grade 11, boy.
Yeah.
So I've been sticking on them down, boy. So when you mean like them check and drink a style, boy, then I pull up to her. Then like sing each other and tell her like say, "Yeah, let's go, boy."
Yeah.
And then she was like, "Bah, I am team no, no. I was one of you watch our team. No, that's the way it's man one. So I feel like let's do a week. Well, the crazy skills, they give no later, too.
Yeah.
Also, I'm not like one like I'm going to go and I'm not like I'm going along the bike saying so they like I tell them no funda and no because you say like say serious go life no. So
There is a boy.
like second say around, bro.
Yeah.
When's
I don't know about like she's to the school or what. I don't know, bro, because correct no more.
She's not.
She's around.
I'm born.
Yeah, let you know, bro.
That was the seriousness.
I'm grade 10, bro. Like hallelujah now. I'm like, yo, look at you. Look at me. Look grade 10. No, like say like, yeah, bro. But I'm gonna future fan, but somebody too. Like serious, this is my children now. So you're fan, but somebody too. Don't you? And no problem, down.
Can I simplify you, bro?
And I'm down, I'm not down.
Hennes in peace.
And like to add like Jake, I'm going about like you mean then I went to Kokwabo and you mean one. Because the Tibet attacking in you mean. And then yeah.
Be serious,
Yeah, be serious, bro. Like for real, like be serious, yeah. Be serious, bro. So until when you attack and you make a serengin and then attack and galeba you and tell us I papa no. And then I'm galeba what happened, bomba, yeah, so nyan you mean I pako kwabo and then can figure pa when I arrive pako kwabo corner like mama, yeah, and then mama can mbuba upi, yeah, mbuba upi and then mama ko peske wati. So can maz na low. So I was like Kamama got the ganja apartment, but and Mars low. That means by corner in the and the complaint. That's a man, so I born up, okay. We'll go untouchable.
No, it goes back to our mandom. Ladies can be so useless, bruh. Honestly speaking, but they still act like yabo. Level, yeah. Ladies, man, yo, like some of them, they can be. And they still act cool.
What was a party? Flowing ngale nyenye ex yakho because isina benibana. Right, nana boza about everything yangu. Sena benibana khona ex yakho ehlala ngase SJ.
Don't worry.
Yayaza. Yeah, zanibana because most of the times zanibona ebusuku. So that was zanibana zanithini because all the time even the buya mhlambe let me say emawodweni ngaze report inini ebusuku imdibuya ngapha nomzamo enini ebusuku and yama ndodwa mina ebuhlungu ileqengala ikhonje
like
esathi ba yabona boy kwenza ntoni
like bro kusasingabani
why
but no like when you show up now mhlawumbe only like usibona like mhlawumbe ebusuku but because like that time like yena besafunda bo
Oh, okay.
So nje befunda fumanisa ba mhlawumbe bese skela then maybe around 6 so yabo around 7 saqala siba mnyama useclist yabo lapho bese gqibe yonke way like even ngawupheka yabo so it's a good time back in ngakwazi uyomthatha nendiyami naye
Yeah, man. You
yeah, even like in the morning like feeling ngikhapha futhi abuye because funeka hambe kuse dark because like uzophinda ahlamba hambe esikolweni so have to ba ngama ngobumnyama
uniform.
What? Inform? Don't play.
Like dog, I think I can't say squad and then she gets into her uniform, she goes to school.
Nah, bro. Because sometimes
I think this guy hates uniforms. There must be something with school.
Bro, like bro, nah. Right, I shop since I'm like, yeah.
So I'm not trying to say don't get more.
She cheated on me, bro.
You are
again.
Yeah.
Why?
She cheated on me, bro. Like, bro, like, yeah. I'm sorry. I can say like when I'm even like he moves like he's no hands like outside or yabo. That's bonus is not in time. So when body like I lap home or sometimes like weekends I'm in the church like team. So I'm in the bomba when I'm doing. Can I boy and play back like instead of the team so be like okay cool. And as a boy so I'm go come and zazi like he's not in time apparently. Candy yabo. Upezi yabo mna andibona because masoloko nse studio maxesha amaninzi yabo because like soloko locked in phakathi apho and then buye kwesam nami ne computer yami dependele pha like akufani mhlawumbe ndibenzula kakhulu so ngela xesha so ke ngoku yena xa benze memane yami nechomi zakhe bezezweza
yeah enye into sabazo ayiqaphela
Charlie
why
yeah
Charlie
Charlton watshela uBlack
azangantshela Charlie
utheni
ayifani yakhe
ifani yakhe unga yabona enye into suppose ba zange because kwa intombazana ithi iyongcila mhlambe ingcila somewhere then ithi izobuyela kuwe ebusuku napi yenze lona.
Why not?
That's too dangerous. Abamatshe lenza lonto ezozichitha nyani.
Yeah, bro. I know.
I'm telling you.
But I remember when you mean like ngisuka hapa producer the show with me.
Yeah.
So like I was working with the Chomi yake. And then Chomi yake like I was going to tell like everything like you in the like yenza ngokubethana nami like almost everything. Almad na wethu sayindola lana bo. I was telling you everything and babexabeni ngoku yabo bebeke like nobazi friends bo. Bebexabeni then nekusila mana qalela yonke into. And like and is angry yabo and is angry but alifumanisa lamna abantu abaninzi like walala nabo thana nami like bra baba close bra like even if he's an artist bra like yeah bra so imagine when the performer pa like akimile pha ku crowd ba uyandibona phana bile and then after the show that cherry yama yo bhele masambi yabo masambi kanti ayazi ba
because you know ever since like him yabo dahlukana like abantu xa nibona manje nomuntu wakhe abinala weba wow like down to
yabo
like na adenza la nto nithi ngibona intombazana umjidi yamba nentombazana indawo yaxoka cousin yakhe kuba intombazana intsembu lena umjini umbomba hayi ba yaxoka le cousin yakhe le yaxoka kodwa bathi lana la we yabo intombazana ethi kanje izabuya kuyela kuwe because for sure izabuya pa around 2 or 3 awuyazi ba because most indawo etshole nguvala ngo11 awuyazi bayiqala somewhere yabo yafike pa yathwa band
ayifaka intombi yami
akwathi band ayigqo band amjida wamkhapha then wathi hanze emntwini wami because umntu uzoyazi okay umntwana iyajona for sure ayilonge nebethile uzamkhapha aqaba uzawubuyela ku mhlawumbe pha kuza ubuyela pha ngo2 3
but it's rare mate bayibuyele kubi sanothatha
wahla kubuyelwa kuwe yele
ane it's rare ne asozize kuyi mate sesekuthatha
you know amantombazana ayatsho bra abantu adatha amantombazana nina aneva noba
nobityiwe
awutyiwe
Charlie
Uyavakala bra.
But iyavakala man.
Bra,
Ngiyaqoqa bra.
No, where's masengilile?
Nah, dog. It depends on who did it actually.
Hayi evakala.
hayibo, ayivakala. Yabona ivala
Only umazi kanganani umuntu wakho kodwa.
Nah, dog.
Enyanisile bro.
No, ningalibala wena
Uyavakala.
No, bro, listen, abala way. Like yabo, first of all, ibeta bra, it is naturally.
Yeah, natural
But that way.
Yeah, but look,
But
let's
how
say
do you
kuvaliwe, let's say homes okuvala 11. Lomnana uyahamba ngo12. Uya lechep around to lechep yamkhapha. I mean that's 2 hours or like 1 hour and 30 minutes uzakho. Mfuna ngicabanga izuvuba there was something.
Hawu phambene nawe
But when they get to abanye when they get to you umuntu yaxela yo ngikoze mudini.
Yeah.
Then you don't watch.
Yeah.
And uzumforce down.
I feel like into eqale yakho sezongayiva
Yabona
ngoba
wena,
kushintsha.
Dima, do you know why ndithi ungayiva phi? Only if you ngaphandle bala la ibileli nayo ithwa ibe strong. If like you touch it, if like you touch uzayiva ba na man. Ayikho ku shape yayo.
Kodwa holy kana sadishero yakho wena ekuse ngakubaye ngishalo
La mamel uzayiva when you touch it.
Yeah, but
Ayikho ku shape yayo. Because if like ibileli nayo ibe mhlambe linajeya yenze show inenkulu endenze show la kaka le uzayithatha isizwana nebhambaro uzayiva bamba.
No man, bro, he's talking from experience. Why is we understand. Uyazelaphi? No.
Because knowledge
Uyabonakala wena bayayazi le. But wena holy bro bathatha imedi yakho ngabe bawuchale bike wafika man.
Ayisuka intoni le?
Okay, bro, so asikuboni. Yeah, but I was telling you, bro, this is how you should know. Not about uyayifaka. Nah, bro, you won't hear anything.
Nah, bro.
Xa nina la awugqifa kwathi, hayi so dayive manje khona rock antomazana ayenzanga next.
Yeah.
Then ixabani lengekhoyo.
And when it's too wet you ungagqiba into ba
Yeah, kuba
lethiwe
but it's just wet. Cha nivezoweni ba mina kutheni manzi kakhulu
Yeah,
nivezoweni nina kanti ntomazana iyakubawela bra umntana abantu ungalibali abantomazana.
There's a disclaimer.
Balentuza fast.
Yeah, like into yabo more than 10.
Yes.
Yabo.
Ihoni level yabo.
Yeah, level yabo bantu more than 10. Bungayazi ona lona.
Honda yazi.
Oh,
You don't let them bad girls well.
Kakala na ikene pefta nakunawe para.
If you think so.
Yeah.
Okay, bra, so say go chat. So you made iwe yendo. Dabuyela go after lendo. I feel back on like the camera. Yeah, show me camera, bro. Focus. Then you released your song, the trending one.
Yeah.
Before the trending one, you released man Lendi Candy.
Oh, Lendi Candy.
Yeah. So why bora la ngoma Lendi Kanye?
Yeah.
Then what intention?
Like like before like ngayenza ne. Then after ngibile uyenza like nambhalele ba yo Candy ayinengoma indezi there about wena. But angizothi ba izinto wena ezithethile kula ngoma about you. But it's about you la ngoma bo. Wathi ke naki ba as long ungazindlalele ba uyanthanda no.
Kanti is verse.
Yeah.
But you was
what is the song about?
I think it was a dream.
Yeah, it was a dream.
You want to be a dreamer.
Yeah.
Tiyan vuxen wabona ulanda ke imbunga emanzi thwaqa. Uqashele manje.
Yeah.
Is Lendi Nika or is it
Indomazana.
Nika.
Indomazana.
And la ngoma ibhalwe Lendi K.
Like it's about
Even it's in
yeah.
Now we ibhalwe Lendi K then yathi XXX. Talk about it is about
sex.
Ithi kanje ndiyozela nalala ebusuku xa ndivala amehlo ngibona Lendi Candy umzimba utsheli si-shaking that body ngabile ebhedini ndinxibe nevest zomntana nguMaria ebhedini uyanika ndivuke imbunga imanzi ekuseni imbunga ithetha xa ndivuke ndiyocama ekuseni. Yeah, it was a dream, brother. It was a dream.
So it was like a real dream, or it's just like you woke up, then you write a song?
Like I create.
Yeah, figure out Maria.
Because Maria can find endless names.
Yo, bro,
Serious, bro.
this nigga knows.
It's true to you because I'm one Maria when.
Nah.
Maria angafika zicrash yakho Maria.
Yo, bro, he's been through a lot, bro.
But it's been a while since Maria visited me.
Why
It's been a while. It's been years. So I do miss Maria, bro. Maria did.
Maria, yenza more than
This shit that you can never get.
So is it forgot.
Girls, pull up your socks. Is Maria little?
Yeah.
Hayi ngoba abantu abamnyama bathi ke
Ngolelo. So
bayibonakala abantu bamaria.
ngabe nangxaki.
Even nabe uyambona ngopha ku medias like upage yami ethanda urent ethanda comment sometimes.
Azana mbona.
And zange like ndive colors like about langomba. Yeah, habo uzethu ndona lena and then like obviously ka background.
Yeah.
I don't think it was a bad song after all.
Yeah,
If I say it was a dream and you get, I'm not saying ungangena kuthwaxa, but I'm explaining it as a dream. So I don't.
Yeah, are you on the bed? So now let's go to a serious conversation. You released your trending song.
Mamba Machera Strand.
Yeah. What made you? So what made you to Nyindo Charlie? Please don't ever do Lando Kuboyanza. Leyo movie scene. Don't ever do it again.
Necessary information.
Don't ever do it again.
Necessary information.
No, I go unnecessary, but I'm telling you, it's not like
Theater plan.
don't ever do Lando. So what made you to write Langoma? Because it seemed like you were dissing or you wrote both antibanis. Seems like Langoma we ballet experience yakho. Since I'm actually this crowd like even like when now and clicking now when it comes to relationship and you're like okay now I'm waking up, let me just diss them. Our nigga vibe about okay go perform being a nigga vibe. What happened?
I can say like Jaganeng yabo.
Yeah.
Call them now in English Jaganeng because of like when they show like relationship yam like almost like ongama mate like in an album our artists yabo. So in it ngalamini it was 14 ngalamini Valentine's ngalamini. So in the show me I mean sister way to ta as a singer so way to nomshit yabo. So like umshit same na wait. Ah man and get bored ngalamini ubone. But the studio is call so like umshit man. Ah man say to bet it track him na fit it's a machera se casa yabo. Because of like be Valentine's then it should be Valentine's and then single and yabo this were like a relationship yabo. So it was like as known the track man it's a machera se casa comes on viral the way yabo and then the ends chorus kind like then the bosom should accept full chamba in but yena full chamba in as together the machera se casa. So I was like nah bro it's cool so it better the way and then the better chorus after better chorus need to be that fuck verse. The thing is, that could be who mastered the chorus, and then export the way project, and then like I say, is it there, then that some separate, then make it phone, then try make 18, and then our pencil, and then Vitorize, and then I better long go, same time, Baba Machera Secas, Baba Machera Secas, and then after that, can go with the like clip everything, they post up on Facebook, and I got far first. So I post up on Facebook that way. So I come post on Facebook like, and then I went to a show in Luand. Luand, and then we call the show, and then I apply show in, and then the phone I'm clean, and we clean. Yo, bro, notification in Facebook. Abo, la way page, I'm an official account. Abo, by la way about can't you yo, that trend up, the corner picture I am. About never please, about you are canoes, and I'm but I do man about getting good at 10 and I will run away. Yabo baninzi babathi le mfuna uxela bazilona yabo. Saninzi babathi le song like I was like hayibo yatrenda nyande we. So mas athiza bemile nqebile nenqebe ezinye nendaba. Nqebe paragraph before ba Ken Velamel. Ngoba bona bana trainer ngo. And then that was like Greenfield never was like ezola kumjita yabo. And then yakhawuleza nyande ngiqanise nomzamo noba ngase clinic ezola. Then bona manje majita pha ngase akwenye khona pha maninzi lamajita pha. Ngikwazi ngapha ngendlela yabo. Black indoda akwenqebe paragraph yabo. Black indoda yabo xa ndibajonga. And then they were like, we are trainer, yabo. And then I bet I got computer except to joke and a trainer for me. Then you like Facebook same time now. Then I joke, we are going to find the comments about Batina band. And then Pra was angry. To be real, Pra was angry like a cool Pra. Problem done. Young child. Like Pra like Pra way like can say about go back to the way I was laughing. But when the other was in the land. When the other was on 2 hours of team. But the moment you take and the moment you take funda, the more man see the more man see cannot no reply to that ask to reply by see bugele. So Pra like lango metro na ganja alo Pra yabo. If you go Pra sometimes they are yabo. Bakabacha one ba we na play no na stay sakati. But ke Pra and baz aba papa go Facebook yabo. Bazo feel offended yabo. So that's like okay. In the Jame ba feel offended. That means babi. Abasha bazothetha bazocomment abazothini. Ombi uzoshare a comment bayasicela no. That means umbi. Yabo sazi lo way. So abantu bangazange basharana bathethe iwezi bed kuma bhala ngoma. That means bahle.
Basexy. So after what is ngoma like wazama nje ukuthi yaba amantombazana okanye bonke be like na uthi sibabi lo okanye wavele wangaprete qhawe like na into umjolo mandiyeke
like Bra like after like relationship lamna zange ngiphinde like ngifocus emjolweni like but maybe like khangela intombazana yabo foba manje zincede yabo anzi ba okay ngoka yabo ntengo bethe nento khangela umkhangela ngoba nifumene bese nifumene ngayo but when nibonayo futhi crash form yabo abanye babe like babe khona bangayaziyo like kwalangoma abanye babengazazi nondazi noma bapha ku Facebook nginyama kakhulu la video kanye noma ayiveli kahle quality yabo abanye babe siva nje kuba black indoda thamachera sekhasi yabo babengandazi like ba ngandami into okay nanka bona yabo so Bra la track le yakhe sekulincane ya bekena struggle especially kwaba like abantu bafuna serious ubona ba ngifuna for real like yeah and then when see ngixelela straight up but abantu kona bayekuse man bamile bet like 1 second as so nina like I can say I believe party bilelo Bra and even ngoko Bra it's hard man for man look rain
yabo ngala ngoma
yeah
Yo
Bra leni cho la ngoma liyana like Bra la ngoma liyana for 2024 but Bra even over endaweni especially apicas banendaweni dayaso ngathetho ngala ngoma and bathethe ngama khona amanje anifike hle namachill fana ngomjita wontisayo girl awu
you made impact manje
ayenza impact even ngo end soziphelele Bra la ngoma like soziphelele Bra la ngoma
but onyicala kuzoba nzima ba okay ufumana like umuntu right as I say ngoku you still struggling to get maybe girlfriend right for wena because of langoma yena yenza impact when it comes to we okay engagement waziyo about we page yakho stream your songs and everything ngolinye icala when you need ukuba serious about because no more singamajida siyadlale they feel like okay now we need to be serious about life. We need to have a girlfriend one girlfriend not two only one girlfriend so only one girlfriend mama had the prize as a mutita you must have one girlfriend
so iksheta wafaka nindwana nenezimora
okay like yabo like
athina majita wena
like yabona phakuba like yabona like yabo like ibiza emails like labo sezi-emails yabo but Bra like kuba besenza like amantombazana so ba like balenda ngapha so was like disamacheri and then disenezi zezamacheri ishiye just iprices zonke yabo aside
hayibo musa bayo bezocela kuba hayi noba ezimora usuka lapha
phambili so yo asoze nanami
yo
ngolulambe
yo nanami
so ngoku
friend
azekuye serious you had friends then chiki out of the blue
Got no one.
boom Black and White released a diss song dissing song you know like we were dissing almost your friends. What made you about vexing and be like, let me diss my friends now? What made you diss your friend?
Okay, bro. Kanjani wonke umuntu engakusebantu abangesela kubenibuza la we ba ikuse uze what happened. But the thing is, bro, if you remember, bro, ila xesha lethu ngoba siqala thina. Ekhona live session. Abekhona abantu bekudala ba rap ni. Bekhona la abantu ababefana nawo nabanye abantu abantwana abancinci yonke la webo. Bakholisa live session ni. Abakhona get together ni. Enyuka. Yena kwami ngexesha xaka yonke into yabo. Okay, yeah, xaka yonke we into ababhizi ways abanye bo. But nengikhathazayo ba like bra like hip hop like bra like ifile ifile because abanye babhizi ba okay afuna ithetha ngoba because nazo yabo so like I feel like iphelile yabo like I feel like okay hip hop as like it's dead yabo like ifaqile amanje daba second ndibona like ayenzayo dabona move ne but ngoku umuntu ngoku semuvela yena like personally like then joke abanye career the way so umuntu semuvela yena ngoku asenzeni mhlambe for the cars yabo but sometimes nabe takuthoyenzela wena ne akuyafuneka wenze the cars because manje kulenda ndikuyo ngo is because of like i-cars bekhona accession khona into so ngoku xa singathi thina kuse sakhulu sibabadala ezintwana ncinci zona sifuna urapper sithini yabo zifumana i-chance bamaziqongeni yabo yabo even though ngoku like abantu ba create show up wothatha zonke izi-artists like sesaziwa yabo as artists ezi-grand ekubeni babe suppose thatha aba bancinci sibathi pho thina noko sesaziwa mos senzele bona le ba abebe grand yabo so ever since like kwenzeka lenenzekayo neziwe zika pastor yonke la way so aphele bona manje like angahoyanga yonke la way so ngalamini lezi ne idea because iba yo easy man khalidisa manje bekasa and ngifuna ubabhalela ku DM ba bani khaludisa sisuke nqa ndacinga ba ngathi yaba ngathi phofu kumzo zokwenza iwe week xa nenze kanjalo ubona xa ngithethile ba bani zodisa banzo kudisa bo anzukwenza iwe engqonda abone so I was like manenzi iwe engqonda aba like bengacingelanga nabo like bengalindelanga next yabo and if you were at this track bro yayiva nawo bayineni sithethayo ba like thethe nje yabo thethe nje yabo khange ndize personal thethe nje yabo so ke ngoku like I was like okay athi umjito ba yo Black ngicela nje le idea athi nje fancy pha kuma studio se recorder le ngoku damas final siya asifika pha then ayibhala qala igqiba yomjito amane ninika nje some few words uba manifakelele pha but amagama asuka kum like uba ngobani badisa then I wrote it down la igcina pha kubo so inenzekayo way live nje ku TikTok nini nami ngena ku live na join live wakhe ne then he was like yeah wena Black wena ayingoma isekhona yabo thenga i-release yabo ngiyacela brother amanzi yo-release la track yabo yeah andithi hayi ke si-release thina awunangxaki wena ithi nangxaki jonga i-release yabo in the next day ke ngoku ndilibele mbamethema sewa-release ingoma yabo so xa ngingena ku-Facebook very like xa ndijonga yo bra like seyitrenda ke ngokuba Black Note usidisile no young ever better life yonke la nibona manje nethetha so ndayibona hayikusele be personal yabo at the same time ndavuya at the same time ndoyika like bra at the same time like ngikhathazekile because like khange bacingela manje like azovela like be personal kanjalo
baba personal
and nami like nenza sure okay indlela enibadisa ngendlela egrand not ngendlela embi is always the way okay baby
that this crack ibinganalo like a personal it was like fun at the same time but bona I think bayizwa ngendlela be like yo ayile or I think bona bacabukisayo is because beni close number knowing shows so they like hayibo njalo umuntu asidisa or besama sonke so they were personal and umuntu personal kakhulu I think Stormy Wave is very personal
first one Max.
No Max, yeah. By two very good. That made this crazy up and very but at least Max, but Stormy Wave was very personal.
Did they diss you back?
Yeah.
4. At this, that is how much it is 12.
Yo.
In a penalty by 4.
But umuntu engekho personal ayintamadede was bekule ndawo kuyo
like you know
ebe understand okay
yabo tamadede yawazi ngasho mina ifuna ngayo yabo kutamadede like one day nakamvuka ekseni abasekhona ivideo like yabo uyiphupha
bekule way
so I was like yeah unjidi kule way ndikuyo yabo and then I show like yabo bra I can set out this no this week ne bakhona la way ba ngayiwe but xa kwami ixesha mani mamela mani ucinga deep la way is the more ikwenza angry yabo bona leka time nangona ingathi exe but yaneza angry and I record and foot a personal xa konke ngiphinde ndimamele yami personal ndiphinde ngicinga ba man khona abantu ngibhale personal kanti from the week time and till the week when I delete la yeka kanjalo it's because like let's bomb the personal so mhlawumbe nasemajiteni kwenzeka lonke mhlawumbe sange ngene ngedlela grand mhlawumbe kube yabahlaba
yohapa Stormy Wave wayeze ngenye indlela
Dala kuthethwa Stormy.
and bra xothetha about le way custom boys zange ngicingele ba like kuzoba nguStormy lo uzoza kuseyathethe like iways personal kanje like umjita like into evakala kapha emakini bakwa yena bamjita uangry yabo angry bra like la way
no life bakhe yabonakala bamjitaye
but kumi it was good bala yabo black and white black where you at selele way for wena black no zange ngibela ngxaki la way yabo but bra into isengomeni bra like damumva ngomeni ba like khathazekile for real xa mamela nale ka Max lamajito my2 bra like enze like yabo athathe personal big time yabo uyang urespondile but it distract yakhe dibene like A1 nanave yabo like bayingoma e1 omitiso wakhe so nave utiso wakhe ubuyisa kwakhe ninang ubuyisa kwakhe then la mamela verse kaya ngema layithanda bra nangona ngema ibetho lakhe ba no but layithanda mezo mina ngema yabo because wa respond ngendlela nami ngilindele kabanye but enye into nga-understand elana uba if you remember wasidisa uMax ni ane headquarters buya adisa sonke adisa sonke yabo badisa sonke so it was this day studio then like emnake nakhawuleza banomsinde yabo so ngifuna ubuyisa engikhayela uMax yabo so la producer it was like man saniphendula nje yabo you know most ba cool yabo
lapho ngene ngasithanda wesicibeleni
so ke ngoke kuseya so ke ngoke kusele way lena la mjidi yenze le cloud no yabo kabi khona nqaki no eziya ka stay phambili wathi basinga respond kuba nobo khona nayo khona pocket ulwandle wasibeka apho ulwandle
angikhona
wasidisa ulwandle athatha imakhi nafuna uphindisa athatha imakhi nafuna uphindisa wasinqanda tapho angabi khona nqaki but the thing is didrophile ngo distract bra abantu bandisla ngabantu abaphatha abantu barespondile and ba personal la way so la way nenza umsindo leba njani bra like utaphuwa njani bra angicele baningaphendula kabanye abangwathini bakudisemna eqhubeka senzo
because
but aphinde ayicinga la way ba bra lacile ba ekuse ibig jo like I'm too big kangibe bra ndithi xa andidisile and then ngomba uzo responda and uphinde ndikubona kumithi ba ubuyile ulapha yabo I can say bra the district nangona abantu bethetha light bukathini but I know bra yenza impact even ngoku most artists ngo that's claim yabo because abanye isukela pha yonke la be yabo isukela pha yonke la be so I can say yona nangona ingezanga so mina icinga la ngayo but ikhona lenzi le mehluko noku wenzeni yenza imehluko big time but yeah bro
yabo the reason
it is
yabo nje wena usethi sikwiki ubona undomna uMax kuze la nje ndinga respond because manje zaka nobundisile ndava ngaye yathi bana amjida then manje wathi kana kum hayibo wena ngithena ungaphindi kwandikudisile I was like undisile I was like oh so for sure mos ufuna like yonke lo so like nah it's fine man uzohlala e-district yakho uyabonakala mos ngoku uyenzela into mos lenze baphendula unoza kumuntu unibuza ba ndiphendula nini ola social ba uphendula kwintoni ngolondisile umthetho yandimamela ngoma diswe nyani
uthi
nah brother but ingaphizo but man ayondidiphi manje andisa ngayo benganalo nondisa ngayo
and show mjito la noni Max no ba yalo lumncumile ba kusenimation because Scarella but yakse like a guy
and it is good mjita when it comes with pen.
yeah
Max is very good when it comes with pen. Then I can rap and I can out rap most of the rappers up Instagram. And
but fuck him lam mjito la ngiyeza kuona
but you are that nigga is hard, bro. Max is very hard.
Next, bro.
Max Zero.
Yeah, Max Rundun.
Oh, le befuna bekanye into 20 times.
Yeah, Mjita is very hard. Even a poem Mjita yambomba, da Mjita ushushu, bro. Inkosi.
Oh, I know
that
that
nigga
guy.
is hard.
Oh,
Max is hard.
I met him by
Max-
Africa, yeah. I mean, he was
Max
doing
hard.
this.
Yeah, that guy
So
is
you
talented.
have by skill like always.
Mjita is hard, bro. That's what I love about him.
Richard,
I love about him. Mjita is talented.
Kakhulu.
But
yeah
another one decided on him.
Yes, what it is.
Each and every rap in a weak sport, man, bro.
Yeah.
Each and every, it
That's
doesn't
quite
matter how
that's you.
good you
Like
are.
man, into this I go with. Especially uzon boost ba because Max Lando ye this yakhe wayenzela because of Magic Asera. Xa useke Magic Asera. We all know lona. Xa wathi aqomba akafunisa ngoMagic Asera. Uzafaka zonke i-rappers akabona yabo okay apha ekazi yaziwa and zinendo. Because exa wafaka zonke i-rappers akazibona yabo okay yabona kwezi rappers kwi line up zikhona. Yonke wezikhona, tonto zikhona zina impact ekhoyo. Wafaka zona zonke. Yabo. So come ufuna ubuza, imibuzo. Before we wrap it up, anything endilibalayo? Anything you want to explain or uchaze?
Ah, there's nothing that I'm
Khona rap yoyikayo.
Khona
Yoyikayo.
Uqonda ba le rapper xa ingathi hayi ndiyaxhoma. I'm like
and that
Yeah, when it comes
hayi
like
lyrical wise.
lyrical wise yo I know what you be calling. I know what you be calling, bro. I know what you be calling. In better you I know what. I know what you be calling better ngabe ni wake kwami na
Yebo
yikho.
kanye uthatha nayo i-mic 1-to-1 uthatha.
Like
Yes, 1-to-1 as in like Aries next to see now. Like which one that you would pick? Combat this one. I want to go man to man.
nguleno ngu 72827.
Nah,
Why?
That's star if you don't know.
why?
We stand up ngena bro. We start aggressive we start. Abu start bro like that like if you ngase show win ne. Ungabe ku flow ne. Ube ku star. Mina hold my man. Listen to me. Me always ngicala ka star. Yabo. Nola ku star kuba ni close na kanye kuba the mass la we ku flow we kana kathini. It's because you star. Dahamba straight to butini yabo. And never straight to butini. We star like bra. Ine ithetha real like ka so thini na. We star raw bra. Raw khona ngomla ku come ulente comeback. Abu the comeback la ku start wrong star. So ngumle ngiqonda aba ndingaxa xa sidibana suba ithoni ngoba you yabo le
and
like-
naye Mjita he can write guys serious. Xa kuthi ane ethane zakhe zobunesti. When I bars, Mjita do have bars like bars.
yeah
I do listen to your guy. Mjita do have bars. Yabo. And uyasithanda when kube ne rap back Mjita challenge to challenge music ngoma enhloko. Most of the show uyayenza lana. All the time.
Yeah.
He shows uyayenza lana. I don't think he's scared of any rap. That guy.
yabo then
That's why more the timing and angabe Mjita DC. Okay, yayila weka King K only.
okay
Angabe
okay
DC ngenye rap kuthiwa nango start
Ukinke
rap.
angelo city is the best rapper in Strand.
I think we. I think that's who.
hayi nguye la post yakhe
Lekumuhle
la post
I'm the best rapper in Strand. Danzani ngoma zakhe.
Yeah, I think we are joy.
But why do people like attacking Umdote? I'm the best around. There's nothing wrong, man. It's just self-confidence.
self-confidence.
If you have a problem with what I'm saying, hey, Baba, write a diss track and post it and hear what I have to say. But-
Because I once heard when Kenda funda
King K.
comments ne. I think about the recent episode when Kenda yenza.
Yeah,
The full comments akuba you guys should call him as a upper
yeah,
and then
Dog.
yeah. So yeah man, benguye umjida. But umjida man, we gave him views man, we gave him views and naye ibonile. Ndava ngaye because ebepostile pha bephose into yakhe.
He mentioned
Then
us and
watsho.
said masiyajonga sijonge lento.
Yabo.
Ntoni yeah.
I mean then wathi umjida okay phindani nithethe ngami kwi-podcast because wabona okay ku-YouTube like I think beqala ufika kweze views more than 500 so I think yeah but asikho up anyway. Alright, so anything ofuna uyithetha your handles everything like new drop new music.
Yeah, ndina music omtsha yeah. But the drop soon. Angathi soon for August, yeah. Drop on August. No more drops. Yo.
Nabesipala be-EP le.
It's a I finished with the
No more drops. Ndisabanja you drop. Yeah, I join bro.
So bro, yeah, like ngisebenza kuwe like ku-EP. Like it's about 5 songs and the beat like ngifuna uqala from scratch and then I have my own ideas beat
Okay.
so I cover arts and nayo and then like now it's dope like it's dope as fuck so and then ngizama uyenza ngoba ibe registered kuzo zonke digital so that drop so that's why ndisinike igap ngakho ba okay yeah afike August afike yeah August noko sendigqibe yonke.
So why did you choose August? Nje kanye.
Because August like say yabinyanga yami uzalo yabo eqaleni kaAugust nge4 so nangona ngiqala kwami udropa qala udropa nge4 kaAugust so ngo-August singadrop ngo-August nango-September September yeah so the project yeah it's a big project yabo and I wish like when igqibile before like ixesha lifike yabo ngizopromote yabo ngase ndiphinde ndinibize ngavuya kakhulu xa ndiphinde ndinibize yabo njoba nane-chance uba ndingapromota yona yeah.
Now I think ngizobuyela kwi-rap.
And excellent fumaneka ku-TikTok Black Indoda Black Inzora yeah
But since we rap man
aku-YouTube
On YouTube ngubani?
aku-YouTube ku-Black Indoda
Yeah.
Black Indoda basically like yeah you can say for Pale 46 your band Pale 46
and since we rap man we can't close a podcast like this.
Yeah, give us something.
Yeah.
Something cook, man.
Yeah, let
Cook
it show.
this fire.
We
then.
can't close.
Put more fire. Put something in there.
Jesus, more than freestyle.
Yeah.
Jesus, more than freestyle, bros. Jesus, boss, say close.
No tetting or Amanda.
Yeah, but okay, guys. Before we go to the freestyle, it is Eshe Sanga here, the sexiest man in Strand in South Africa. Showing you vanilla, sexy more than your girlfriend and your boyfriend on top of you. This is episode 10. See you on episode, I don't know. Behind the camera it is Enchali Beats. We have Abanda and 6 around me. Yeah, so now, yeah man, freestyle time man. Charlie goes into Zag. She's on the freestyle.
Cel bethi acapella bra
Acapella, okay. Can be a capella.
indoda ifikile masiqala usebenze neno ndizolenza ndifuna ushiyeka oko xa ndithetha lebeli bathanda ukungxeka bakholela ukuba ndizolenza ivele ndicinga umamama utatama basekho emhlabeni banishiye ndindedwa ndingene imali yempahla abanye abantwana bebahle ndiphume ndindedwa kodwa uThixo bandibonisa indlela nangona ihlabi nameva ntsuyeka akhumbuli ndisithi nethemba kulomculo ngizopopa nayaza ndiphinde ndisokole ngishiya kanjalo uhamba kanjalo thina siqhele uhlala phansi sincokole kodwa lizofika elami ixesha lokuba ndikubone.
That's it, Black Indoda.
That's deep. See you on another episode, guys. This is Eshe Sanga here with Black Indoda. Show me. Nangu Black Indoda.
Indoda.
Dango.
Cut.
Yo, no.